Today we discuss about the differential equation. What is a differential equation? An equation which involves the independent variables and the dependent variables and its differential coefficients. Means, what is the independent variable? Suppose if there is dy by dx. Here y is called the dependent variable. X is called the independent variable. You understand? The denominator is independent. Numerator is dependent. Okay, ma. So any equation which involves the independent variable and the dependent variable and the differential coefficients means its derivatives dy by dx and the second order derivative d square by dx square and like that. So which is in a polynomial form is called the differential equation. Means in the form of f of x y dy by dx d square y by dx square and so on, which is equal to 0 is a differential equation. What about the examples? X plus dy by dx which is equal to 0, or d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus x plus y equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. Okay, ma? Differential equation means an equation which involves the independent variables and dependent variables and the differential coefficients or its derivatives. Okay, ma? This is a differential equation. Next, in differential equation, at first we discuss about the order and degree. Okay, ma? What about the order? Order means in any differential equation, the highest differential coefficient is called the order. Means in any equation, how many times we differentiate the equation with maximum number of times. Means if there is dy by dx plus x equal to 0, this is a differential equation with independent variable x and differential coefficient dy by dx. Here we differentiate this equation only one time. How we decide it is one time? Dy by dx means differentiate y with respect to x only one time. Therefore, the order of this differential equation is 1. What about order? The highest that is particular highest differential coefficient in any equation. Suppose if there is d square y by dx square whole power 3 by 2 plus dy by dx whole power 10 plus y equal to 0. Here we differentiate y with respect to x only one time. Here we differentiate y with respect to x 2 times. So which one is higher? 2 is higher. Therefore, the order of this equation is 2. Do you understand? This is order. Means simply the number of times we differentiate the value y is called the order. Okay, ma? Next. What about degree? Now degree. What about the degree in any differential equation? The exponent of or the power of, exponent or power both are same, exponent of or power of the highest differential coefficient in a polynomial form. ఇంకోసారి చెప్తానమ్మా. In any differential equation, the exponent or power of ఎవరి యొక్క పవర్ అమ్మా? the highest differential coefficient in అది ఎలా ఉండాలి? కంపల్సరీ ఇన్ ఏ పోలినోమియల్ ఫార్మ్. పోలినోమియల్ ఫార్మ్ కంపల్సరీ అమ్మా. పోలినోమియల్ ఫార్మ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ది ఆర్డర్. What is the meaning of polynomial form? Polynomial form means in general all the powers of the differential coefficients are compulsory whole numbers. Means either 0 powers of dy by dx, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on like that. The powers are independent of negative numbers, fractions, okay ma, and sign of log of e power of sine of dy by dx, log of dy by dx, e power of dy by dx. In these cases, we cannot determine the order of the differential equation. Means we cannot express in the polynomial form. Suppose, see, this is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x equal to 0. This is a differential equation in polynomial form. Now, what about the order? Highest, how many times we differentiate this equation? 2 times. So, the order is 2. What about degree? The power of highest derivative. This power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. Do you understand? Next, suppose if this is d square y by dx square plus log of dy by dx plus x equal to 0. Here also, how many times we differentiate this equation? With maximum number of times, 2 times. Therefore, order is 2. Order is 2. What about a degree? Degree means at first it is the polynomial form. At first we check the equation is in the polynomial form or not. Okay, ma. So here there is log dy by dx. Okay, ma. This is not in the polynomial form. The polynomial form means powers of dy by dx are always integers, positive integers, and 0. Independent of, sine of, log of, cos of. But here log of dy by dx. Therefore, degree we cannot determine. Do you understand? We cannot determine the degree of this equation. Assume another example. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube plus e power x, which is equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. Differentiate y with respect to x here highest 2 times. So the order is 2. What about degree? This is integral power, this is also integral power, this is e power x. E power x means the e power lies x only, not in dy by dx. Okay, when this is a polynomial form. Therefore, degree is the power of highest derivative is 1. Why? This is whole power 1. Do you understand? Next, take another example. Assume another example. D square y by dx square whole power 3 by 2 plus dy by dx whole cube plus same e power x, which is equal to 0. Now, what about the order? Order means the highest differential coefficient, means the number of times we differentiate the equation, the highest number of times. Which one? Here there is no derivative, here one time derivative, here two times derivatives, means the highest derivatives is 2, that is order is 2. What about degree? Degree means the power of highest derivative. The powers must be integral parts. Means only in integers and 0. Positive integers and zeros. Not in the negative integers, fractions, exponentials, logarithms like that. So here the power is 3 by 2. So at first we eliminate this fractional power. Means whole by 2 is fraction. So suppose if we apply whole square, then get cancelled. So that's the reason. So d square y by dx square whole power 3 by 2, which is equal to minus of dy by dx whole cube plus e power x. Now apply square both sides. Then d square y by dx square whole cube, which is equal to minus whole square plus then dy by dx plus e whole cube plus e power whole square. Now the power of highest derivative is 3. Therefore, degree is 3. Do you understand about the degree? Okay. Order and this is the concept for order and degree. Next, now we discuss about the formation of differential equation. Formation of a differential equation. Okay, ma. Next, formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation means we convert the normal equation into a differential equation. Means in general the normal equation contains independent variable, dependent variable, constants and arbitrary constants. What is the difference between constants and arbitrary constants? Constant means it always a constant, but arbitrary constants means it changes the value of, it changes its value, depends on the condition. You understand? Means see, observe, this is x plus 2 equal to 0. Here 2 is a constant. X plus a equal to 0. Here a is a constant. Next is x plus a plus 2 equal to 0. Here 2 is constant, a is called arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant means it changes the value, depends on the conditions. Do you understand? If suppose x plus a plus 2 equals 0. Suppose if x equal to 3, then what about a? Minus 5. If x equal to 0, a is minus 2. If x equal to 1, a is minus 3. Do you understand? It is the value of a changes, depends on the x. In this case here, a is called the arbitrary constant. Do you understand the difference between constant and arbitrary constant? Constant means it never changes value, but arbitrary constant means it changes the value. Its value depends on the given conditions. Okay, ma? Now, formation of differential equation means we form that new equation in terms of independent variables, dependent variables, and differential equations. Okay, assume one example. Or simply we eliminate the arbitrary constants. Simply we eliminate the arbitrary constant. How we eliminate the arbitrary constant? To differentiate the given equation with respect to x. How many times we differentiate the equation? It depends on the number of arbitrary constants. Do you understand? In the formation of differential equation, we differentiate the given equation. How many times we differentiate? It's depend on the number of arbitrary constants. Okay, my number of arbitrary constants. Okay, assume an example. Y equal to some x plus a, where a is arbitrary constant. Here arbitrary constant only one thing, that is a. So one arbitrary constant means we differentiate the equation in one time only. Okay, so dy by dx, x derivative 1 plus a derivative 0, that is dy by dx equal to 1. This is the differential equation of y equal to x plus a. Now assume another example. Suppose if y equal to cx. Now we differentiate this equation how many times? Here c is only the arbitrary constant, one constant only. So we differentiate one time, it's enough. Okay, ma? So that is dy by dx equal to c into 1. That is dy by dx equal to c. But we differentiate this equation one time, but the constant is still here. Now we eliminate this constant. How we eliminate this constant? Substitute this value in the given equation. Let be some equation 1 from 1. Y equal to cx. What is the value of c? Dy by dx into x. This is the differential equation. See here, independent of the arbitrary constants. Next, in differential equation, there are three models in intermediate. The first one is variable separable. Variable separable. Variable separable. And the second one is homogeneous. And the third thing is linear equations. Linear equations. Variable separable means it is possible to separate the x and y terms individually. You understand? X and y separate. It is possible to separate the x and y terms. Next, homogeneous equations. Whatever the homogeneous equation means if f of xy is any equation and it satisfies the condition f of kx ky equal to k power n into f of xy. Suppose if f of x comma y is any function and it satisfies the condition f of kx ky equal to k power n into f of xy, then f is a nth degree homogeneous equation. You understand? Nth degree homogeneous equation. Or simply how we identify it is a homogeneous or not? If all the powers are equal. If all the powers of are equal. All the powers of variables x and y. See, suppose if f of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube by x plus y. Here higher power of x is 3. Here also 3. So numerator powers are 3. Denominator powers 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, this is a second degree homogeneous equation. Directly we will say this. Not necessary to substitute kx, ky. Direct value. Next, if another one, f of x comma y equal to x square plus y square by xy. Here x power 2, here also y power 2. Therefore, power of numerator is 2. Power of denominator, x power 1, y power 1, both are 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2, 2 by 2. So, both power of numerator is 2. Power of denominator also 2. Therefore, it is a homogeneous equation of 0th degree. How? 2, 2 by 2. 2 minus 2, 0th degree homogeneous equation. In this type of homogeneous equation, we assume as y equal to Vx. Y equal to Vx. In the second homogeneous method, we substitute y equal to Vx. The last thing, what about linear equation? Linear equation means an equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Dy by dx equal plus p of x into y equal to q of x. This is a linear differential equation. How we simplify this one? By multiply both sides with the integrating factor if, integrating factor. What about integrating factor? The value of integrating factor is e power integral p of x into dx. You multiply both sides with the integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx. Okay, so we discuss about these methods the next class.